Namaste beautiful soul, this is me Gangothri again. This video is targets your shoulders, neck and the upper back. And this video relieves the tension, stiffness around your shoulders and the upper back. You might carry a tension on your upper back and the shoulders. That might also cause reasons like a bad posture, a bad eyesight and headache, heaviness in the body, and even it might also lead into the heavy body and a lots of stiffness around your shoulders. When there is a lot of stiffness around the shoulder, that might also cause too much of headache. And very importantly, this might also affects on our cervical spine. Why this is a major and why this is a most reasons when there is a lack of body movement. Start moving your body right today. Study says that around 16% of adults facing a discomfort around the shoulders because of so much screen time. And this is perfect asanas are the perfect stretch that I'm going to share in today's video, that if you follows, there will be no stiffness or else pain around your neck, shoulders and the upper back. Let's get into our practice without any further delay. First, find yourself any seated comfortable pose and place your palms on the knees. While you're inhaling, raise your chest, open up and raise your head up. As you exhale, just round your back as much as possible. Now inhale, exhale, round. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. Let's move to the next movement. Here in cross leg, placing the right palm on the mat, extend a little and raise the other hand up and stay here. Stay here for 5 to 4 breath, in and out. Focus on your breath, it should be always a normal and long. And slowly come back to the center and let's continue on the other side. Extend your hand, stretch the lateral, raise the other hand up. You should feel a stretch over your side, a lateral part of the body. This is a lateral stretch, so it extends our side of the muscle of one side and it compresses the other side of the muscles. Now slowly come back and relax. Let's continue with the next stretch. Placing the fingertips on the shoulders, raise your hands up, the elbows up as much as possible upward and lengthen up your back, extend and slowly back down and just raise. Move 2, raise up, extend and back down. 3, up. When your hands are moving up, inhale as you bring your hands down and exhale. Okay, let's do 2 more times. Raise up, inhale, stretch fully and exhaling back. Last one more, inhale, raise up, exhaling back and relax. Let's move to the next one by placing the both hands, fingertips on the shoulders and bring your elbows to each other and rotate your shoulders as much as possible. Clockwise 3 circles and anti-clockwise 3 circles. If you have a time, you can do a 5 or else 10 also, that's totally fine. Just for a video reference, I'm making it for 3 clockwise and 3 anti-clockwise circles. Open up as much as possible, wider hand side and relax. Yes. Now for the next stretch, you need to interlock the fingers and stretch your elbows as much as possible straight and round your back. Push your body as much as possible back and round. Feel the stretch over your upper back. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. You can sit comfortably in Vajrasana for the next stretch. Interlock all the fingers, roll the shoulders, chest raise. Now bend forward down and as much as possible raise the hands up. Now slowly come back and relax. When you're holding this pose, try to breathe in and breathe out normal without raising the hip. Now let's continue with the puppy stretch. Get into the tabletop pose and walk your knees one step back and palms one step forward. From here, just push your chest down, touch your chin on the mat and stay here. If it's hard to touch your chin, that's totally fine, but focus on inlining your knees and the hip. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come back to the table and rest in Shashankasana, hands back. Breathe in and breathe out normal. This is one of the resting pose which targets to our breath. It helps in slowing down and breathe. Now slowly come back. Now get into the tabletop pose. Let's continue with the cow and cat stretch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue 3 more times. Now back to the Shashankasana. Now come back to the tabletop pose. From here, walk your knees one step back and bring your left shoulder on the mat and stretch your right hand straight. Stay here, breathe in and breathe out normal. This helps in opening our upper shoulder, upper back and resting for our neck. Slowly come back. On the other side, continue. Now slowly come back to the tabletop pose and raise your body up to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Walk your palms forward and lift your knees up. Slowly relax. So let's do a last and final stretch. This is one of my favorite. Make sure to sit comfortably in Vajrasana or any cross-leg pose. Just raise the hands up with bended elbow to the shoulder length. Raise the chest and slowly bring your hands closer to each other and cross it like a Garudasana. So here this helps in stretching up your side of the shoulders and the upper back. This helps in relaxing and removing the tension over your neck, shoulders and the upper back. And relax. Let's do it on the other side, same way, twist it. So as we are focusing on our neck, shoulders and the upper back, so we are just crossing our hands, that's it. So if you want to do complete asana, you need to cross your legs too, like how I crossed the hands. Slowly relax. If you want, you can make a movement like this, raise and cross, raise and cross. Alternative, like a movement 5 to 6 times. So it will make you more easier than holding the poses. So movement are very important. It will help in increasing the strength, mobility and the flexibility. It develops your all over a body alignment. And relax. Now after all this movement, you feel relaxed shoulders, right? Thank yourself for today's practice. Remember a few minutes of mindful movement that release hours of tensions. And this helps in let going all the weight which you are carrying on your shoulders that might be mentally or else physically or else emotionally too. May your body feels free and mind feel peaceful. Practice daily, stay gentle with your body. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another video. Till then, let's practice yoga. Let's practice mudra. Take care of yourself. Namaste. Take care. Bye bye.
ಲೋಕ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು ಸನ್ಮಂಗಳಾನಿ ಭವಂತು.